Guys, today I am going to show you how to get free keywords, free long tail keywords to your bulk post, website post and videos, SEO purposes, search engine first page, long tail keyword, short tail keyword, no competition keyword, also medium competition keyword. Using these 10 free keyword research tool. Watch this video fully. 10 free keyword research tool. Easily get valuable keywords and also question type keywords. You can get more exposure, more visitors to your website, videos and bulks. Free keyword research tool to learn these videos. Watch this video fully and you can subscribe to this channel. This channel is only purpose to learning applicant marketing and passive income online videos. Also very good product reviews. Also I will give lot of valuable free bonuses to that product. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. First free keyword tool is Google Ads Keyword Planner. First you can create Google Ad account and you can use it to keyword planner. Discover new keyword or search value mom and forecast. Suppose create one, enter, make money online, make money online. You can also enter the website, you can get results. Here is a data for make money online. Make money online average search is 10k to 100k. Competition is high. Bid value is $1. Top page bid is $5. You can use this Google Keyword Planner to get accurate and long tail keyword or also short tail keyword. You can know competition keyword and also middle competition keyword, also check high competition keyword. This tool is very good one to starting your bulk or SEO, video SEO or also website. You can easily get a short term keyword, long tail keyword. Go to SEO in Google search engine first page. Suppose you can carry in one, you can download these all keywords in Google Sheets and get how this work. Check lot of keywords. Here is 100% free keyword tool. Also get 829 keyword ideas available. Here is a first and evergreen keyword research tool of this method. Here is a check tool, another one, or go to 500 per page. 500 per page you can get this long tail keyword, make money from jobs, different way to make money online. Average monthly search is 10 to 100. Competition is high. You can check low keyword, low competition keyword and you can get this one. Ignite ways to make money online. This is a one of website in keyword research, free keyword research tool. And the second keyword tool is Keyword Seeker. All the links in Description below. Check all keyword free keyword tool. First, search weight loss. You can get a lot of. You can easily generate lot of keywords in this tool. Is useful to free keyword research tool. Free keyword research tool is useful to rank your bulk or website or video SEO. Here is generate lot of websites. Generate more websites to 500 and more. So this is very good and useful to generate lot of keyword research. Going through 500, 586, 600. Okay, going through more than 1000 of searches to this tab. So I can, here is tips, weight loss tips, foods, diet, tips in Tamil, exercise, drinking, foods. So you can easily get long tail keyword and short term keyword, lot of keyword ideas in this keyword setter tool. So this is a keyword. You can get search volume to this one. Import the list. You can get search volume is a paid option. Free option is only limited version to use this keyword setter, and paid version is you get a lot of. Here is a $9 per month to paid version is lot of features available, but free version is also go to get keyword ideas and small number of search volumes. This is a keyword setter. First register to keyword setter and you can search this volume and you can get free only enough. If you need to get paid plan, cost is $9 per month. Here is a say 1 million keywords, more features available in this method. So you only need keywords, 9,000 keywords, so the cost is $4. So you no need get free keyword tool limited only to this keyword setter. This is a video tutorial to how to search this volume. Here is a importer. Here is a search volume. Or you go to copy this with keyword to, or you go to copy. Here is a paid fan is more feature. Or you can go to copy this keyword to Google Keyword Planner. You will get search volume to how many searches per month, how many searches per day you can get Google search volume. This is used only Free method, keyword related searches. Long tail keyword, short time keyword, 5 word keyword, you can use it. Third keyword tool is answer the public. Queries also have lot of generate long tail questions and how to questions. This is very useful to make money. This is very useful to long tail keyword to generate your how to type of bulbs and videos. Here is a make money on YouTube without unnecessary requests. Here is a lot of keyword question keywords generated. You can also get save this data and go to check Google keyword to how many monthly searches they have. Here is a alphabetic order A B C. Make money on YouTube channel, make money on YouTube course. Here is A to Z alphabetic long tail keywords available. This is only a very good keyword research tool in third keyword free keyword research tool. Free keyword research tool. The free keyword research tool is questiondb.io. Here is a free version is useful so very good one and also paid version also available to lot of features. The same method is applicate marketing. I am search is applicate MA search. Here is a find questions. You can download this 430 total matches results. Here is how do I earn in affiliate marketing? Compare data feed from different network. Here is a lot of question based related your keyword affiliate marketing questions and also keywords. Here is a questions. Here is a keywords. More than 430 total results. Upgrade is lot of features available, but you can get first 50 to under 50 only 50 search results visible to this free method. Here is also a very good one to keyword research tool. If you make more features, you can get free version. Free version is only 50 search per search, 50 results per search. Per month $100 you can get 800 per results and unlimited searches. So here is a free keyword research tool of best one in 4. Here is another keyword research tool is free keyword research tool is keyword.io keywordtool.io. All link in description. Please check. Search is Instagram marketing. This is a lot of countries and languages available to search widely. I will also only take United States of India, United States English. Here is a search volume to Instagram strategy, search volume, Instagram agency, search bar 249 unique keywords. Here is also very good one to Google. Here is a YouTube search. This search volume is YouTube. YouTube Instagram strategy is 1100. Also Bing results. Please subscribe and press the bell button to get more money making online videos. Learn and earn. Also Bing results, Amazon results, eBay results, Google Play Store results, also Instagram searches, also Twitter Instagram searches, also Twitter searches. This is a Twitter hashtag. Here is a Instagram hashtag, but free version is limited only apply. So if you are get more all data details, you can get paid version. Here is a paid version API access. Here is a subscribe to pro version. Subscribe to pro version to get all detailed full data of search values and keywords. Here is a pro version prices. So but free only have limited of searches and also have questions, also have prepositions. Here is a tools in another free keyword research tool of very good to make bulk SEOs easily. Here is analysis of competitor. Here is a check search volume. Another free keyword research tool is wordizet.com. Here is a free one to get access key metrics, long tail keyword ideas also available. Here is a one is monthly searches. This is a CPC volume. All are available in this keyword research tool. First, you can discover the thousands of hidden keywords, long tail keywords, start dominating your niche. First, you can sign in free keyword research tool, free access to sign up and get keyword research to this one. Here is a data of find 100 of keyword ideas in just a few seconds. Discover long tail keywords. Also find Google, Bing and YouTube, Amazon and eBay. 100 of countries available. Here is a wordizet.com. All links are in the following description. You can check there one. And this is very important. 100% free keyword tool is h-supertool.com. Here is a HAG YouTube has published this free tool. Here is a lot of sections available. SEO tool, SEO keyword research tool, bulk keyword research tool, question explorer, high CPC keyword explorer, SEO analyzer, YouTube tool, YouTube keyword tool, YouTube top keyword explorer, Instagram tool, hashtag find to hashtag Instagram, discover tool, find influencer, and email marketing tool, email validation tool, bulk email validation, text extraction tool, applicant marketing tool, web tool. Here is also free this one. Here is a h-supertools.com. Suppose I will check to YouTube keyword tool and also SEO tool. Just to check this one. Enter the keyword is possessive income. Search this one. You can also individual country and also check all languages. Here is a monthly value is 1,65,000 per monthly charge. Competition is low. CPC is 1.75. SEO difficulty is 76. You can also check this lot of keyword. Here is a low competition keyword. You can check and you can go to create bulk post and videos to SEO easily. Passive income idea, low competition keyword. Also check YouTube and Google. First you can create free account and you can check this keyword research tool. First you can create free account to this H Hyper Super tool. Here is a YouTube search tool. Here is also make money online. Search is available. Here is a search volume is 1 million per month. This is only YouTube keyword research tool. This is useful to grow your YouTube channel and to get more and views and subscribers. 1 million per month. Difficulty is medium. Here is a medium keyword also, low keyword, high competition keyword available. How to make money online, where to make money online, ways to make money online, make money online 2021. So you can check these keywords. You can get a low competition keyword and you can easily do SEO in videos. Here's a make money online with the free traffic. Only search volume is 1747. First you can create these free accounts hsupertool.com and also check. Watch this. Thanks for watching this video. In this channel I can go to create videos weekly and weekly 3 or 4 videos teaching to affiliate marketing, possessive income, CPA marketing, also lot of new product reviews plus huge number of valuable bonus softwares. So please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notification of new video I published. The sixth free keyword research tool is Uber Suggest. Here is also a free is limited version and also lot of countries available. You can check this one. Here is a sixth keyword research tool to you can search free version is Palm Tree. Free version is limited features and also you can get paid version is full features available. Here is a results. Also have printer set and social media content ideas also available to this one. You can check this view all content idea. You can check and relevant make your bulk post. Another seventh keyword research tool is keyword everywhere. It is a good one to get free keyword research tool. This is also a free version is limited to one and paid to lot of long tail keyword and low competition keyword. You can find this one is paid is just $10 is credit available to this one. $10 is 1 lakh credit you can get paid to this one. Suppose you can search this. Here is a search in Google. make money online. I also added this Google Chrome to keyword everywhere. Keyword everywhere. Also, I also have a credit to 99,759 credit. So here is a display the church volume. Volume is 2,46,000 per month. CPC is $1.55. Competition is 0.79. Also have here is a one trending data. Here is a relevant keyword. Here is a long tail keyword. How to make money online for free. Search volume. This one. Here is a one. Here is a another people search for this one. You can copy this data to. You can use it. Here is a long tail keyword to how to make money online. Search volume is 4 lakhs 50,000. Also have here is a one. I have a paid version, so lot of details. Here is a one. You can use free version, just limited to searches. Also have a paid version is very full feature too. You can make your SEO and bulk detail. This is a very good keyword tool in keyword everywhere. Another keyword tool is AHREFS, Ahrefs.com. This is a very good tool in lot of searches. Also search how many Quora questions available, how many data in Google and Bing, lot of versions. Here is a demo to this one, but it is not a free. You can get a free trial. You can 7 days only, and also paid monthly, but very useful to one. Useful to organic traffic search. Lot of accurate volume to get your keyword data. And another one is SEMrush, SEMRUSH, SEMrush.com. Here is also a very good one, but this is not a free. It is a pro version available. Free trial only available for just 30 days. Here is also a good keyword tool to lot of searches, same as to Ashraf.com. You can also get it. These two are not free. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.